Money from your content on Facebook. Go to Overview. Earn money from your videos. Collaborate with brands. Manage your monetization tools. Publishers and creators are an important part of Facebook's content ecosystem and add value for advertisers and for our community. We build monetization tools to help publishers generate meaningful revenue that's sustainable over time. Sustainable partner payouts. We know you're passionate about your communities, and we want to help you to do more of what you love. Flexible monetization. We're focused on building a portfolio of monetization products that will provide you with the flexibility to earn money in ways that make sense for you and your community. Join a community. We have a diverse community of creators and publishers on Facebook who share their unique stories, videos and content every day. It's our job to give them the tools to make those connections easier than ever before. Earn money from your videos. Include short ads in your videos. In-stream ads help you earn money by including short ads in your eligible videos. Ads are placed at natural breaks in your content, or you can choose your own placements. Check eligibility. Collaborate with brands who want to support your content. Advertisers have told us they want to discover most relevant creators for their brands and to build collaborations with creators who speak to their communities with authenticity and influence. Brand Collabs Manager allows creators to get discovered and generate new deals from advertisers on Facebook. Get started. Manage all your monetization tools and more with Creator Studio. Creator Studio has everything you need to manage content, publish posts and view insights across all your pages at once. You can also easily take advantage of new features and monetization opportunities as they become available to you. Get started.